Ako pala si Frederick Garing. Sa Tinamaris ako ngayon.
Good morning. I am Second Engineer Ian Dayon from Tinamaris, Philippines.
Good morning. I'm Second Engineer J.R. Wayong. Same as with my two colleagues, nagaling kami sa Tinamaris.
This training is very beneficial to me because the instructor is very knowledgeable. The way he provide his knowledge and teaching to us. I am very prepared to take my job as second engineer on board because I learned a lot troubleshooting on how to fix the problem, especially with alternators, switchboard, motors, and we also include the refrigeration and air conditioning system. I can say that this training center is very the best or very good because they provide the actual or physical equipment and instrument which is very the same those equipments that we can see on board the vessel. So lastly, this training is very useful and very beneficial to me as a marine engineer.
Ang ano ko lang sa training center to, kahit matagal ka ng electrician, marami ka pa rin hindi alam. Ngayon dito, nalaman ko na yung the best approach how to effective approach to sa mga problema para hindi ka malito. Very effective siya. Kahit gano'n ka nakatagal sa barko, marami ka pa rin hindi alam paano ma-solve ang isang problema para mapabilis pa. Ang i-recommend ako to yung Shuttle Marine na mas maganda mag-training ka dito para madagdagan pa yung kaalaman. Hindi naman porket matagal ka na sa barko alam mo naman lahat Lahat yan hindi mo makakabisado lahat yan. Kaya dapat more upgrade yourself. The best recommended Shuttle Marine. Thank you.
Agree ako sa sinabi nilang dalawa na mas naging confident kami sa aming posisyon ngayon dahil mas nadagdagan yung aming knowledge at naturuan kami rito sa Shuttle Marine ng tamang approach sa mga troubleshooting. Kasi kahit sa anong tagalan namin ng pagbabarko dito, nalaman namin na yung iba palang ginagawa namin na akala namin tama ay hindi pala ganun. Kaya dito naturuan kami na mas maging competent not only sa troubleshooting but sa day-to-day ng operation ng namin. Mas naging knowledgeable kami sa day-to-day operation ng aming mga machineries.